think the storms are coming. Don't know when, but it's supposed to dump on us, so yeah, that don't look too nice, the clouds. They go way back over there, and they're over there. Big one over the house here. So I don't know if I'll get into it tonight, but as you can see, I gotta shove all that stuff up under the house right there. Make it look a little better, and just because I want to. And not only that, but when they put the ramp on, I'm gonna have to have it all cleaned up, so might as well start somewhere. So, but I don't know if that'll be in today's video or not. We'll have to see what this weather is gonna do, and there's supposed to be severe thunderstorms and stuff, so I don't know. Might get out here and actually be able to finish mowing the yard. If not, then I'll have to wait till it rains, and after it rains, then I can come out and do it. But oh goodness, I haven't put out a video in like 2 days, and I don't know, haven't been feeling much of it. Actually, no, I did the floor. I still got a part 3 of the floor to do, so we might do that tonight. And I might just throw this clip in just because that's the weather outside. So I'll talk to y'all a little bit later. Have a good night. See those clouds? They started way over there, and they've been climbing under the cloud cover for a minute now. Look at them just floating there. That's some weird stuff. Looks like a wind tunnel up in the middle of that. Wow. I had to come up to the store and get some groceries. Those are them Stromboni things I had. They're $4.09 a piece. Not bad. But yeah, I don't know. I got a little petite steak for dinner. Haven't fully decided what I want to eat. Maybe I might get a pizza too. Fully loaded 5 cheese pizza? I don't know. What do you think I should get? Probably eat by the time this goes out, because that's just how it is. So, alright, it's either 5 cheese pizza, Spanish mushroom and garlic. I might have to try one of those. Spinach. Yeah, that looks good. Well, I went and broke down and bought me a tripod. Let's see if it works and handles what I put it through. And let's just see if the phone fits. I'm pretty sure it will, because it says all this. Like, it says it's for my phone and stuff. So, never heard of them before, but let's give their product a try. It's not, I'm not endorsed by them or anything, so let's just try this out and see how it works. Whoa, as you can see, it's a success! And it's sitting on my lap of all things, and it's working! This is awesome! Now you're gonna get some videos.